Hey, good afternoon, Mower Medic 1. Today I've got a couple snapper push mowers on the bench. I've got one here and I've got one right there. This is the older unit and this one's just in for a general service, as well as this one. Basically just the plug, oil, filter, sharpen the blades, lubricate, things of that nature. But the main reason he dropped them off to me is because they're not pulling. The Propelled is not working as he likes it to. I've already fixed this one, but let me get it cranked up and let me show you how it's supposed to act. Here in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to adjust the drive belt on this. So if you're having, issues with your not pulling as fast as it should, or it's chattering as you're walking behind it, let me kind of give you the rundown on how this self-propelled system works. You got a paddle here, and whenever you push it down, it's got a cable that runs down to a spring right here, and when you press the paddle down, basically all it is doing is pulling up on an idler. See that? When the belt stretches, you lose your momentum or your speed because the belt is slipping. And let me show you how to adjust this. Now, this spring is a dual spring setup. What you need to do is pull this black rubber cap out of the way, and we're going to disconnect the spring from the cable. And then what this thing does, this is a spring inside of a spring. To make the belt tighter, you're going to take the outer spring and you're going to turn it on the inner spring. So basically the spring that's down in there is acting like a screw. You don't have to turn it very many times. Let's just do it like 5 or 6 rounds and then put it back. And then we'll test our paddle. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and get it cranked up. And we'll test this one. It needs to be adjusted just a little bit tighter. As you can tell, the wheels weren't spinning, and that's how I like to test them. I like to raise the lawnmower, front of the lawnmower up, engage the paddle, and if your wheels are trying to dig, you're good to go. Put about 2 or 3 more rounds on my adjusting spring here. There's 2, there's 3. Give it a try again. you have any questions about how to adjust the drive belts on a snapper push mower, let me know. Mower Medic 1. Have a great day.